To tell if a guy is flirting with you, observe how he acts with other people. If he seems flirty with everyone, it might just be part of his personality. However, if he acts different around you, that might be a sign that he's interested. Pay attention to whether he often breaks the touch barrier when he's with you. For instance, if he's flirting, he might brush up against you a lot, put his hand on your arm or shoulder when you're talking, or sit close enough so that your shoulders or knees touch. A guy who's flirting might also make a lot of eye contact with you and smile when you meet his eye. Or you might notice him fussing with his hair or tidying his clothes when you look his way. Pay attention to what he says too. If he often compliments you or teases you in a friendly way, those are classic signs of flirting. As he gets more comfortable with you, you might also notice him confiding in you and sharing more personal details about himself.